Hey everyone, and welcome to Private Shop.
Today, we're going to dive into something really cool. It's an incredibly fast technique for multiplication that comes from ancient Vedic mathematics. We're talking about the crisscross method.
So let me ask you, are you tired of grinding through those long, slow multiplication problems? I mean, what if I told you that you could solve something like 23 times 14, maybe even in your head, in just a few seconds? Well, stick around, because that's exactly what we're about to learn how to do.
We are literally about to unlock an ancient technique that will totally change the way you look at multiplication. This is all about speed, efficiency, and honestly, a little bit of what feels like math magic.
Now, most people know it as the crisscross method, but its formal name from the ancient Vedic texts is the Urdhva Tiryagbhyam Sutra. Yeah, sounds pretty complex, right? But I promise you, the idea behind it is surprisingly simple.
And believe it or not, that huge Sanskrit name, Urdhva Tiryagbhyam, just means vertically and crosswise. Yep, that's it. And those two words are pretty much the only instructions you need to remember. This breaks down the entire process into just 3 steps. You go vertically on the right side, then you do a crisscross in the middle, and you finish by going vertically on the left side. That's the whole pattern. Right, middle, left. Couldn't be simpler.
Okay, theory is one thing, but seeing this in action is way better. So let's walk through our first problem together, step by step. We're going to solve 23 times 14, using this whole vertically and crosswise idea.
All right, here's our problem all laid out. We've got 23 on top, 14 on the bottom. We're just going to work our way through this from right to left.
First up, we multiply vertically on the right. That's 3 times 4, which gives us 12. Now, here's the key. You only write down the last digit, the 2. That first digit, the 1, becomes a carryover. Just keep that number 1 in your mind for the next step.
Okay, now for the crosswise part, the magic in the middle. Pay close attention here. We multiply diagonally. So 2 times 4 is 8. Then the other diagonal, 3 times 1 is 3. We add those two together. 8 plus 3 is 11. But wait, remember that 1 we carried over? We have to add that in. So 11 plus 1 is 12. And just like before, we write down the 2 and we carry the 1 over to our last step.
And for our final step, we go vertical again, but this time on the left side. 2 times 1 is just 2. Now we add that last carryover we had, which was a 1. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And that's the very first digit of our answer.
Now for the easy part. We just assemble the digits we found. We have the 3 from the last step, the 2 from the middle, and the 2 from the first step. Put them all together, and what do you get? 322. And just like that, 23 times 14 equals 322. No need for all those extra rows of calculation.
Let's run through one more to really lock it in. 41 times 12. Step 1, write vertical. 1 times 2 is 2. Easy, no carry this time. Step 2, crisscross. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 times 1 is 1. Add them up, you get 9. Step 3, left vertical. 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer? 492. See how fast that was once you know the steps?
Okay, so you've seen how it works. But the real power of this method, well, that comes from practice. So now it's your turn to take the reins and give this a shot.
All right, here's one for you. You can grab some paper or just try it in your head. What is 32 times 21 using this method? Go ahead and pause if you need a second. You got it? The answer is 672. How'd you do?
So why is this so important? Well, because this isn't just some cool party trick for 2-digit numbers. This is a general method that works for everything. You see, it's basically a super efficient way of organizing all the place values, the ones, tens, hundreds, without having to write everything down. And that's why it scales up so beautifully. You can use this for 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, whatever you want. It's a truly universal tool for multiplication.
Whew, okay. We covered a lot of ground there, but you're doing awesome. Let's just do a quick recap to make sure all the important stuff really sticks.
All right, so what are the big takeaways? Well, first, you now know the vertically and crosswise sutra. The pattern is always the same, right, crisscross, left. The real secret sauce is to always remember to add that carryover digit. And trust me, with a bit of practice, this becomes an insanely fast and powerful tool, especially for anyone studying for competitive exams where every single second is crucial.
And hey, if you found this useful and you want to sharpen your skills even more, you should definitely register over at prevashamexam.com.
We've got tons of free mock tests for government exams and some amazing AI-powered learning tools to help you get ready.
And of course, if you enjoyed this explainer, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating!